is spring? Springs are elastic bodies, generally metal, that can be twisted, pulled, or stretched by some force. They can return to their original shape when the force is released. In other words, it is also termed as resonant member. Spring materials. The mainly used material for manufacturing the springs are as follows: hard-drawn high carbon steel, oil-tempered high carbon steel, stainless steel, copper or nickel-based alloys, phosphorus bronze, inconel, monel, chrome, vanadium, chrome, silicon. When springs are connected in series, K equivalent is equal to F by del T, which is equal to 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2. When springs are in parallel, F is equal to F1 plus F2. K equivalent is equal to F denominator T del T, which is equal to K1 plus K2. Combine the system, both series and parallel. K equivalent which is equal to 1 by K1 plus K2 plus K1 plus 1 by K3 plus K3. Helical spring classification. Helical spring, also known as a coil spring, is a mechanical device which is typically used to store energy and subsequently release it to absorb shock or to maintain a force between contacting surfaces. They are made up of an elastic material formed into a shape of helix which returns to its natural length when unloaded. Metal helical coil springs are made by winding a wire around a shaped former. A cylinder is used to form a cylindrical helical coil springs. Helical spring types: tension helical spring, compression helical spring, torsion spring, spiral spring. Tension helical spring, extension spring. It has some means of transferring the load from support to the body by means of some arrangement. It stretches apart to create load. The gap between the successive coils is small. The wire is coiled in a sequence that the turn is at right angles to the axis of the spring. Tension springs and its hooks are explained in this figure. Compression helical spring. Among the four types, the plain end type is less expensive to manufacture. It tends to bow sideways when applying a compressive load. Torsion spring. It is also form a helical spring, but it rotates about an axis to create load. It releases the load in an arc-wound axis, mainly used for torque transmission. The ends of the spring are attached to other application objects so that the object rotates around the center of spring. It tends to push the spring to retrieve its normal position. Spiral spring. It is made up of a band of steel wrapped around itself a number of times to create a geometric shape. Its inner end is attached to an arbor and outer end is attached to a retreating drum. It has a few rotations and also contains a thicker band of steel. It releases power when it unwinds. Application of springs. To apply forces and controlling motion as in the brakes and clutches, measuring forces as in the case of spring balance, storing energy as in case of springs used in watches and toys, reducing the effect of shocks and vibration in vehicles and machine foundations. Material selection chart for springs. Name of the material: music wire, oil tempered wire, hand drawn wire, chrome vanadium and chrome silicon are the materials that is used to make springs.